All right, how to replace the coupler. The coupler on the front of this one was for trailer brakes, which are no good. So we're just cutting this one off completely. It's frozen shut with rust. I'm just using the the Ryobi grinder here. I don't know what size disc, whatever size. There you go. Measure it. We're about 2 3/4 right there. That's adjustable from 2.5 to 3 inches. And as you can see, it comes with some shims, which I forgot to put on. I'm gonna go put on in the morning before I head out to go sailing. There's the bolts. Those are 4 inches. Washers and locking nuts on them. That's the drill bit that I use. FYI, this drill bit crapped out on me after 3 holes. The electrical cord for my hammer drill was too short, so I have to move the sailboat in order to use it. I would use 2 electrical cords, but one of them was chewed in half, well, in multiple pieces by a dog. So I'm down to 1 electrical cord. Dogs are great. This might be the first time deadlifts have actually come into play in my everyday life. Sailboat moved. Electrical cord's long enough now. I didn't move the camera. Who really cares? You get the idea. Put on your eye protection. There you go. Installed. I'm going to purchase another drill bit so I can knock out these other holes and it'll be fully bolted in. Easy peasy, done in about 45 minutes. Everything lines up, everything works. There you go.